हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू इन्फॉर्मेशन फॉर विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड यूट्यूब चैनल। हमारे इस यूट्यूब चैनल पर आप सभी को मिलते हैं फुल्ली एक्सेसिबल टॉक बैक के साथ टेक्नोलॉजी, जॉब अलर्ट से संबंधित नई नई अपडेट्स। इन नई अपडेट्स को पाने के लिए चैनल को कीजिए सब्सक्राइब और पास में बने बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके कीजिए ऑल पे सेट, ताकि आपको मिल सके हमारी वीडियो की सबसे पहले अपडेट। तो कंटिन्यू वॉचिंग इंफॉर्मेशन फॉर विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड यूट्यूब चैनल।
Welcome to our YouTube channel Information for Visually Impaired. Today I will discuss about recruitment of various posts by Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti. Posts includes Assistant Commissioner, Female Staff Nurse, Assistant Section Officer, Junior Translation Officer, Stenographer, Catering Assistant, Junior Secretariat Assistant, HQRO, Junior Secretariat Assistant, JNV cadre, Electrician cum plumber, Lab Attendant, Mess Helper and Multitasking Staff, HQRO cadre in HQ, Regional and Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya of Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti. Vacancies: Assistant Commissioner Category OH1, Female Staff Nurse Category OH2 BH1, Assistant Section Officer Category OH1, Junior Translation Officer Category OH1, Stenographer Category OH1, Catering Assistant Category OH1 VH1 HH1, Junior Secretariat Assistant Category OH7 VH6 HH6, Electrician cum plumber Category OH4 HH4, Lab Assistant Category OH2 VH1 HH2, Mess Helper Category OH6 VH8 HH6, Multitasking Staff Category OH1. Age limit: for Assistant Commissioner, upper age limit is 45 years. For female staff nurse, upper age limit is 35 years. For Assistant Section Officer, age limit is between 18 to 30 years. For Junior Translation Officer, upper age limit is 32 years. For Stenographer, age limit is between 18 and 27 years. For Catering Assistant, upper age limit is 35 years. For Junior Secretariat Assistant JNV cadre, age limit is between 18 to 27 years. For Electrician cum plumber, age limit is between 18 to 40 years. For Mess Helper, age limit is between 18 to 30 years. For Lab Assistant, for Lab Attendant, age limit is between 18 and 30 years. For Multitasking Staff, age limit is between 18 and 30 years. Age relaxation for persons with disabilities: SC/ST 15 years, OBC non-creamy layer 13 years, General 10 years. This will be an computer-based test for which registration opens from 12 January 2022. Registration close date is 10 February 2022. Tentative dates for CBT is between 9th March 2022 to to 11th March 2022. Candidates are required to apply online through NVS website at www.navodaya.gov.in. No other means or modes of application will be accepted. Syllabus of the examination. For the post of Assistant Commissioner, component of test: Part 1, Reasoning and Numerical Ability. Part 2, Language Competency Test. Part 3, General Awareness. Part 4, Academic and Residential Aspects. This will include child development and pedagogy, learning, perspective in education, teaching methodology and classroom management, role and responsibility of Assistant Commissioner, residential system. Part 5th, Administration and Finance. Stage 2nd will be interview. For the post of female staff nurse, component of test: Part 1, Reasoning Ability. Part 2, General Awareness and Current Affairs. Part 3, Language Competency Test. Part 4, Subject Knowledge. For the post of Assistant Section Officer, component of the test: Part 1, Reasoning Ability. Part 2, Quantitative Aptitude. Part 3, Language Test. Part 4, Basic Knowledge of Computer Operation, General Awareness and Current Affairs, POSCO Act, RTI Act 2005, Legal Aptitude, Service Rules and Establishment Rules. For the post of Junior Translation Officer, component of test: Part 1, Translation English to Hindi. Part 2, Translation Hindi to English. Part 3, Mental and Reasoning Ability. Part 4, General Awareness and Current Affairs. Part 5th, Subject Knowledge, Hindi and English. For the post of Stenographer, Part 1, Language Test. Part 2, General Awareness and Current Affairs. Part 3, Basic Knowledge and Computer Operation. Stage 2nd of examination will be skill test and or typing test. This will be assessed on personal computer only. For the post of catering assistant, Part 1, Reasoning Ability. Part 2, General Awareness. Part 3, Language Competency Test. Part 4, Knowledge of Computer Operation. Part 5th, Domain Profession Knowledge. For the post of Junior Secretariat Assistant, JNV Cadre, Part 1, Mental and Reasoning Ability. Part 2, Quantitative Aptitude. Part 3, General Awareness and Current Affairs. Part 4, Language Competency Test. Part 5th, Basic Knowledge of Computer Operation. Stage 2nd will include typewriting test. This will be assessed on personal computer only. For the post of electrician cum plumber, Part 1, Reasoning Ability. Part 2, General Awareness. Part 3, Language Competency Test. Part 4, Subject Specific Knowledge. Stage 2nd will be trade test. For the post of lab attendant, Part 1, Reasoning Ability. Part 2, General Awareness. Part 3, Language Competency Test. Part 4, Subject Specific Knowledge. For the post of mess helper, component of the test will be Part 1, Reasoning Ability. Part 2, General Awareness. Part 3, Language Competency Test. Part 4, Subject Specific Knowledge. Stage 2nd of the exam will be skills test. For the post of multitasking staff, Part 1, Language Test. Part 2, General Awareness and Current Affairs. Part 3, basic knowledge of computer operation. Persons with disability of 40% or more, if so desires, will have to bring their own scribe to assist them in the examination. The facility of scribe will be allowed to any person with benchmark disability as defined under Section 2R of the RPWD Act 2016 and has limitation in writing including that of speed if so desired by him or her. In case of persons with benchmark disability in the category of blindness, locomotor disability, and cerebral palsy, the facility of scribe will be allowed if so desired by the person. In case of other category of person with benchmark disability, the provision of scribe will be allowed on production of a certificate to the effect that the person concerned has physical limitation to write and scribe is essential to write examination on his behalf from the chief medical officer, civil surgeon, medical superintendent of a government health care institution as per performa at Annexure 5th. The qualification of the scribe should be at least one step below the qualification of the candidate taking the examination. The candidates with benchmark disability opting for own scribe shall be required to submit details of the own scribe at the time of examination as per performa at Annexure 6th. In addition, the scribe has to produce a valid ID proof in original at the time of examination. A photocopy of the ID proof of the scribe signed by the candidate as well as the scribe will be submitted along with performa at Annexure 6th. If subsequently it is found that the qualification of the scribe is not as declared by the candidate, then the candidate shall forfeit his/her right to the post and claims relating thereto. Best of luck for exam. Thank you so much for watching our video.